Cricket is huge in Asia. Millions cheer for it. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Cricket is a passion here. But why?
Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create a YouTube video using this AI tool and how to generate a video from script. In this video, I'm totally explaining you. First, I'm going on this. You can see they are getting millions views from every single video on YouTube, and actually they are creating this video using this type of AI tool. I mean Invideo AI and another AI. Lots of AI tool offer you for creating video, but Invideo AI are brilliant and top of the AI tool for creating YouTube video. So first you need to go on my video description for easy access. When you click this link, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in here with the Gmail. Then here are you can creating anything. Example, create AI explain or then here are write anything. So I write here why cricket are so popular in Asia. Just click on generate video and it's analyzing start right now. Wow. Once you have done this process, you need to select some option. Duration 4 minutes is good. Then audience cricket fan, sports and Asian audience. Okay, I select cricket fans. Then YouTube platform. Okay, just click on continue. Now this AI tool creating the final strips for me. It's 11% done for this video. I'm waiting few seconds. Once you have done this process, you need to click on this play.
Cricket is huge in Asia. Millions cheer for it. India.
I'm really surprised for this result. If you don't like this result and you are not happy for this result, just click on edit and you are customizing and customization anything and everything. So I just script this all the things and click on download, and if you download with watermarks it's 100% of cost, but if you want to download without watermark then you must need update your plan. So I want to download with watermark, then stroke watermark, then normal. Okay, 720 pixel are good. Then click on continue. Then now download already starting here.
Cricket is huge in Asia. Millions cheer for it. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Cricket is a passion here. But why? It's not just a game, it's part of our history and culture. From dusty fields to packed stadiums, cricket unites us. We celebrate victories like festivals, the roar of the crowd, the thrill of a six. It's pure magic. Cricket is more than a sport, it's an emotion. Cricket came to Asia with the British Empire. The colonizers brought their love for the game. Soon, locals started playing too. Cricket became a symbol of resistance against colonial rule. Early Indian teams challenged the British, asserting their identity through the...
Wow, if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.